welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting the headers on the G8, and I'm getting ready to start this now. Alright, got all the manifold bolts out. Now I'm getting ready to cut the manifolds off on both sides, and then we're going to start the headers. Alright, finally got the exhaust manifold out, and this is where a lift is important because it took me a hard time to get this thing to wiggle out. But getting ready to fit the header in it now. Alright, got the header here and getting ready to try to fit it up in there. Push the battery back in. All right, that's good. All right, go. Just finished putting the headers on the G8. I didn't time lapse it because to be honest with you, it was a pretty easy install. The only issues I had was my one blade saw burned up, so I didn't have that saw, so I had to end up using a cutoff wheel to finish it off, and the oil dipstick tube. We couldn't get the oil dipstick tube to fit We had to bend it and everything and still couldn't get it to fit, so I'm about to order an aftermarket flexible dipstick tube. But we put the old tube back in it and capped it off, so therefore, you know, we can still drive the car. We got the headers installed. Everything was pretty straightforward, and it was a lot easier than I thought. So again, click like, subscribe, comment, and share the videos, and I'll see you in the next video.